ESLA stock analysis next week, Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see. Where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months? First thing that I want to say with Estrella Immunopharma stock, it's $1.46. First 4-hour glance, this is awful price. I'm not a big fan at all. Context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of great predictions on my YouTube channel for free, and all of that has been documented. But this thing here, yeah, I'm just not it, man. Like, although I'm seeing the first signs of this potentially breaking up, it just must be more volatile. Like, where the heck is the volume, man? Like, what's the volume here? I mean, 600K. Sick, but yeah, this environment is not something that I'm trading. Because obviously I've tried it before, and my edge that I've refined over 36,000 videos are just not giving me the rules. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. So goodbye.